Today I am going to show you how InstaCrete, which is a Revit plugin, can help you to save 33% of your modeling time. To show that, let us add 15 columns over these 15 foundations. The columns would be added from level 1 to level 2. Each column has got different size and different base offset. So let us revert back to level 1. First, I am going to show you the traditional method which we are using for years, and after that I will demonstrate the use of InstaCrete's InstaCrete. So let us open column command. So this way you can see I have added 15 columns, but all the columns have same size. To change the column size, select the particular column, go to the property palette, change the column size, change the offset distance, change the level, hit OK button. Again repeat this procedure. So as you can see, to change the column size and its base offsets, you have to move your cursor from the graphics window to the properties palette box, and then again from properties palette to the graphics windows. So to place 15 columns, you have to move cursor 15 times. That means you have to repeat this procedure 15 times. And what you are actually doing, you are adding data to Revit, and Revit is returning the 3D model according to your data. As you can see, I have completed the procedure. And hi, this is Vikram Baraskar from InstaCrete. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video of demonstration of InstaCrete, please subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your colleagues. Now I will repeat this procedure, but this time I am going to use InstaCrete. So click on InstaCrete tab, select the single level column tool, select level 1, and you need to select only column sizes. So go on selecting the column sizes, apply the negative offset distance as per your design. You can add additional data like top offset, offset in X direction or Y direction. You can use username for your particular column. You can have phases, add phase, and also the concrete mist and cost. Here you can see all the grid points are listed, and the foundation which are placed at that particular grid points are listed in this column. So this tool is for RCC designers, for architects, and also for construction companies. Hit OK to place the columns. So InstaCrete will make all the calculations. So it will take few moments, and all the columns will be placed at one go in the drawing. So that's it. Revit took 224 seconds, and the same procedure was completed by InstaCrete in 150 seconds. So saving up 74 seconds. So the modeler has saved 33% of his time. Now you have seen how to erect the model using InstaCrete. Next question comes to mind: how to edit the model? If you want to change a particular column, its offset and its size, how you can do it? Reopen the dialog box. select the level. Suppose you want to change the column at B5 grid point. Select the new size as per your new design. Change the offset value and hit OK. You can see the column size has changed along with its offset value. Select the column. You can see offset value has changed. You might be wondering how InstaCrete functions, how the automation is achieved. See, whenever you use any tool from InstaCrete, say a concrete setting or foundation or beam or column, you use any tool, automatic backup database is created. So you can see here the file is been saved by name project 7. So automatically a project 7 folder is created at your chosen directory. When you open that folder, we have laid concrete columns in the drawing. So you can see this column Excel file. So this is the database. You have columns on A, B, and C grid. So click on this A tab. You can see columns on that A grid, columns on B grid, and columns on C grid. So InstaCrete is backed by a sturdy Excel database and it helps for the automation purpose. If you like InstaCrete, you can download it from my site, that is www.rccad.com, or you can also download it from Autodesk App Store. You can use this app free of cost for 15 days. You can ask your queries at support@rccad.com. I will personally answer your queries. Thank you.